Mayong aga. So, meron akong pork. I have here a cabbage. So, naglagay din ako ng cabbage and then green onion. And then, maglalagay ako ng garlic. Gagawin ko siyang minced garlic and ginger. And then, the garlic and ginger. So, ayan. We put sesame oil. Rice wine vinegar. Soy sauce. Nor seasoning. Dagdagan natin ito. I put salt, pepper, chicken bouillon. Halo-haluin hanggang mag-combine lahat ng ingredients. So I have here boiling water in one of the bouillon. I just dissolve it into hot water. Okay, now what we gonna do, I have this pan. Kailangan natin ng wonton wrapper. Okay, so i-dip ko lang yung wonton wrapper here. Just like that. And put it right here. So after that, we just grab that one and put it right here. And just repeat the process hanggang maubos yung meat. So another time, I don't know na kailang layer na ba ako, pang 4 na ba to? O 3. Another layer of this. This time, i-double natin. I-double natin yung layer nito. And we put some of the broth here. Just like that. Okay, that's it. Habang nagagayat ako kanina, ayan, nag-init ako ng tubig. Kasi, isi-steam natin. I-steam it in 20 minutes. So, timean natin. 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're done. So, ganyan na siya. After 20 minutes, ayan na siya. Yan. Lalagyan ko lang ng soy sauce. Green onion. And sesame seeds. So, it's tikiman time. So, ayan na. Dagdagan natin kasi hindi lang tutikim eh. Ang bango-bango. As in, ang bango ng sesame oil. Nakakagutom. Sa akin, dagdagan ko nito. Ang dami ko nang nakain. Hindi man lang siya naran na busog na ako. Dami ko nang nakain, no? Ayan, nakain ko na yan. At saka ang kapal niyan. Pero hindi nag-run ang video. Ulitin ko na naman. O, sige. Pero ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, o. Sarap. Sobrang sarap, guys. I-try nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng dumpling, tapos tamad kayong gumawa, ito yung pinaka the best way na gagawin kasi easy lang siya. As in. Tawag dito is lasagna dumpling. Madali lang siyang gawin. Kanamit, gid ah. Bus.